have to follow the wave of time. We have to know the wave of time because the time is changing with the wave of time. I participate in the climate action competition, leadership competition, and I learned about the climate action competition. That is, I'm very thankful and grateful. My dear principal sir, my Badon sir, especially my beloved mother, my parents. I think English is very difficult for me, but Badon sir says to me that is not. English speaking is very important for all in today's competitive world. And everyone keeps a silent desire to speak English, but they don't get the suitable institute to learn English. So you can choose Badon Siruline. At first, I participated in the English Olympiad, means the International Leadership Program on Education on English language and sustainability. After that, I selected in division round, district round, and national round. After that, I got in Malaysia. And that is all about my dear principal sir. And he always support me on the time. He support me and he says to me many kinds of advices. For this reason, I got in Malaysia. And after that, the second position is for my Badon sir. My dear Badon sir, when I got in Malaysia, before gun in Malaysia, don't know about English knowledge, and then I come in Badon Siruline and I learn English, but I think English is very difficult for me. But Badon sir says to me that is not. You have to learn English because English is very important for all, and English speaking is not a fashion. When you go in Malaysia, sir says to me, when you go in Malaysia, you have to speak in English because English is an international language. And for Badon sir's advice, I speak in English and I give the presentation in English and I get the bronze medal and get the bronze medal and the special award. And after some time, I also participate in the National Championship on Climate Action Competition 2024 at December. And sometimes ago I participate in this competition. And when I participate in the competition, my principal sir advised us. He says to us, you have to join on the competition. You have to compete with others and you have to own the competition. So I get the frequently I think my principal sir is a hard work man and he says to us the main important things. So I think for his lecture I get the opportunity, I get the support, and for this reason I can go in Nepal and Malaysia, and I'm very thankful and grateful. My dear principal sir, my Badon sir, especially my beloved mother, my parents, and my mother always all time with me because when I learn English, when I speak English, my mother always with me. When I don't get any arthritis, so for this reason I speak in frequently. I speak in English and I give a good presentation in Nepal and Malaysia. For this reason, I get honorable mention and third position in Nepal, and I is the champion in the National Championship on Climate Action. And I want to give you some advice. So the advice is we have to catch the wave of time. We have to follow the wave of time. We have to know the wave of time because the time is changing with the wave of time. And we have to alert about the climate because I participate in the climate action competition, leadership competition, and I learned about the climate action competition. That is, this is our climate and how the climate is changed, and the main reason is for the people, and for this reason we have to alert about the climate. So I'm a little person and to every human if I make any mistake, so please pardon me. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.